Hello, welcome to the first video of Eat With Me. Today, I'll be baking chocolate mocha muffins. If you're watching this on YouTube, the list of the ingredients will be in the description box down below. Our first step is to chop down the chocolate. Next, mix grounded coffee and hot water. Prepare a different bowl and crack 2 eggs into it. Pour milk into the bowl. Next, I will put melted butter in the mixture of grounded coffee and hot water. The point of this recipe is that we do not use as much sugar as other recipes would. Instead, let's put pancake mix. Now, it's time to pour the dough into the muffin mold. Bake at 355 degrees for 15 minutes and it is ready.